just move the goalposts again. In The Universe Burns, the publisher doesn't merely introduce a powerhouse, it reframes the very idea of strength. For years, Captain Marvel has been Marvel's measuring stick for raw, explosive might, binary flair, cosmic grit, the will to punch through fate itself. But this newcomer isn't playing on Carol Danvers' field. They arrive scaled to the cosmos, less a person and more a principle, the kind of hero whose silhouette is drawn against collapsing constellations. When Marvel says strongest, it's not a power ranking, it's a thesis statement. What makes this debut sting isn't a single feat, it's the redefinition of stakes. Captain Marvel is kinetic, momentum, charge, a fighter's geometry. The Universe Burns plays in thermodynamics and myth. The new hero operates where physics becomes poetry, solving problems by changing the math that creates them. That makes Carol look weak in the same way a hurricane humbles a speedboat, not because the boat is slow, but because the ocean has decided speed is irrelevant. Weakness here is a framing device, an editorial camera angle that throws scale into cruel relief. The smartest choice Marvel makes is giving this figure a cost. Strength without consequence is just a spreadsheet. Strength with collateral is story. This hero carries fire that saves by consuming, extinguishing annihilation by outcompeting it, rewriting entropy with a brighter burn. Victories feel expensive. Worlds are preserved at the price of scars. It pulls the narrative up to a mythic altitude where heroism is indistinguishable from stewardship, and winning means accepting that salvation sometimes arrives in a form you wouldn't want living next door. And that's where Captain Marvel matters more, not less. Carol's function has always been bridgework, translating cosmic crisis into human courage, modeling accountability when the sky goes white. Put her next to this new sun, and you get parallax. The contrast turns Carol's mortality into a superpower, the ability to argue for ethics when the universe prefers equations, to insist on rescue instead of triage. If the new hero is a force, Carol is a choice. Taken together, they render a fuller spectrum of what Marvel means when it talks about power. So, does Marvel's strongest hero dethrone Captain Marvel? In spectacle, absolutely. In story, not even close. The Universe Burns isn't a demotion, it's a calibration, a reminder that power creep only works if it creeps toward meaning. The Universe burns, yes, but furnaces forge. Marvel's gambit is clear. Make us feel small in the face of something impossible.